Hi, Dative. I was just going over updating my report for the British Council, and I've sent several emails and messages, and you are just getting way, way behind, eh? Um, as you can see here, I'm showing nothing for part one and started off part two with the same. So, I thought maybe a video might help. So I have logged in here as you, okay? And as you can see here, it's not like that you haven't been working, right? But in order for you to be considered as finishing a module or unit, this yellow bar needs to be 100% finished and the score needs to be above 70%. Okay? As you can see, we are in this module right here. I mean, you've been doing a little bit of work, but nothing that needs to be done completely. Okay? So, as I said, each unit needs to be 100% and the score needs to be 70%. Okay? So if I can do anything to help, please just let me know what I can do to help, and I'll be more than happy to help in any way possible. Okay? Jeremy can help as well. Okay? But this was last week's model, and this is the module that we're working in currently. Okay?